Hello, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. Casper Nyovest stepped into his summer 32 hosting duties and delivered on the night, but it was a piece of a backstage gossip that had social media buzzing before the curtain even fell. Sharp-eyed fans watching the South African Music Awards on the 15th of August 2026 picked up on what they believed was a frosty atmosphere between the rapper and media personality Bonang Matheba. No hugs, no chat, nothing that pointed to warmth between the two, at least nowhere cameras could see. Casper Nyovest, born Refilwe Pholo, was not about to let that narrative breathe. Taken to X shortly after he set the record straight with characteristics, directness. Queen B and I were just backstage cracking up because she was dissing me about how stressed I am. No vibes at all. Let's nip this one in the bud fast. Hashtag Summer 32, he wrote, painting a very different picture to the ones fans had constructed from the ceremony footages. For a first-time host of South Africa's most prestigious awards ceremony, the pressure was real, and by his own admission, it showed. But his account suggests that whatever stress he carried backstage, Bonang was right there laughing about it with him rather than adding to it. Anyways, you guys, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video. Do make sure that you do share it and also subscribe so that you do not have to miss out whenever I upload a new video.